Hey everyone, helpchef here. Today I'm going to be show you the most useful recipe, stir-fry sauce, that you can use it literally in everything. Stir-fry sauce you can use for stir-fry veggies, stir-fry noodle, even though stir-fry beef, chicken, or you can even do cook stir-fry rice. So now I'm going to show you the simple step for home stir-fry sauce. Some roast coriander, fresh chopped garlic, ginger, dark soy sauce, hoisin sauce, black bean garlic sauce, sesame oil, also I got oyster sauce, some sample chili, ABC sauce, cooking wine, and cumin soy sauce. That's all ingredients. So you can find my full recipe in description. So I put whole bottle. This one is 368 gram. So this one got a black bean garlic sauce, hoisin sauce, so I got dark soy sauce, ABC sauce, and oyster sauce already with the mixture jug. And also got a couple of spoon sesame oil, 3 tablespoons. And I put the 3 tablespoons chili. So if you don't like chili, you don't have to put the chili on. Same thing, I make sure the soy sauce and then cooking wine. So coriander, add the garlic and ginger. So you can use the so I use a blender to mix the sauce. When you're cooking, if a small portion, you use just one small ladle. Yeah, or you can portion in the bottle when you cook, so easy. So the stir-fry sauce finish, so you can use the stir-fry sauce cook at home. Important tip: before you use stir-fry sauce, check it well. You can find my full recipe of stir-fry sauce in description.